Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I will be basically reviewing my 3-in-1 blow dryer hairbrush. I basically watched videos a week ago on how to basically silk press your wig, and also when I dyed my hair extensions using Adore watercolor, I used this magic blow dryer, and a lot of you viewers have been asking me a lot about this blow dryer. This blow dryer is a 3-in-1 hair dryer, and it makes your hair look really silky, really glossy. I don't know if you viewers can see what I have on right now. Really silky, really glossy. It gives you that defined classic silky straight hair look, and also it can curl, not tight curls, but give it some bounce sort of waves going on. So yeah, a lot of you viewers wanted to know where this blow dryer is from, and this is from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. I will leave the link in the description box down below. The dryer retails for a very affordable price, and obviously you can get a discount code, which is my name, Atibel20, for 20% off your entire purchase, whether you're purchasing the blow dryer or you're purchasing hair extensions. So I just wanted you viewers to know more about this blow dryer. I've been using this blow dryer for the past 1 month, and I literally cannot fix client hair without using this. This is the same blow dryer I used when I was melting one of my customers' lace closure wig. I don't know if you viewers saw that video, but yeah, this is a very short and precise review. If you really want to know how I achieved this beautiful, sleek, glossy hair using this blow dryer and my titanium straightener, whatever straightener you have, it will do. As long as you're using this magic blow dryer, this does the trick. This can actually dry your hair whilst it's wet or damp to basically dry hair. So I will leave the link in the description box down below, and what I have on is actually 40 inches of hair. If you also want to know more about this wig and how I got it done or installed, check the description box down below. I will leave the videos on how I achieved the silky silk press straight hair, how I achieved the silk press straight look, and also I plucked frontal to have this natural effect. I will have both videos down in my description box down below or at the end of the video. And yes, both the hair and the blow dryer is from the company, the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, and you will get my discount, as I initially stated, Atibel20, for 20% off your entire purchase. And for all those of you that have been asking me about this blow dryer, yeah, here's the review. This is a very good blow dryer. It gives you 1-year warranty, and it is affordable, and it does the job. I'm so fed up with the old school blow dryer and this is the future. This is the way forward. If you've not come across this blow dryer, have a check or look on the internet. There are different brands, but I have tried quite a few brands, and I prefer this brand because it actually dries the hair and it makes the hair look straightened, and it makes it easier to basically straighten it with your hair straightener. So if you did like this review, thumbs up this video. Do not forget to share and like this video, and I'll see you viewers in my next